This coming December 8 to 9, A Child's World, a school catering to persons with intellectual and developmental diversities, is going to stage another one of its latest stage play, Sabay Bayan, at the IBG Cal Theater, UP Diliman. Which is why for this edition of O Venture's Body Presents, I have decided to share with you my experience watching one of the initial showings of Sabay Bayan, which was staged at Hyundai Hall, Arete, Ateneo de Manila University. In order to avoid copyright issues and even spoiling the play itself, I only took photos rather than videos of the stage play for the most part. As soon as I arrived at the waiting area, I saw that there was indeed a long line. And there was also a shop where you can purchase artistic works by persons with intellectual and developmental diversities. Now, I was so excited that I even invited my mother and my theater-loving aunt to watch the play with me. Now, Sabay Bayan is the story of brothers Anton and Robbie who live along with fictional beings in a town called, you've guessed it, Sabay Bayan. When the news came that a strong typhoon is coming, these two brothers set off on a journey to warn the other fictional beings. Now, some of these fictional beings are inspired by traditional stories such as Ibang Adorna and Si Langgam at si Tipaklong, aka the ant and the grasshopper. And along the way, the brothers and the audience learn important lessons about friendship and belonging in a community. Overall, this is a stage play really worth watching, and it's a great way to introduce a friend to disability inclusion and awareness, most especially if that friend is a theater fan. Tickets are available at 1,000 pesos regular price or 300 pesos student price, and it could be purchased from either the Child's World or by messaging +63 917 598 1588. As for the show times, there is 3 p.m. and 7:30 p.m. for December 8 and 3 p.m. for December 9. All proceeds will go to the Child's World's funding for a new home in Cavite. And this has been Oventuous Body Presents, giving you updates about events for persons with intellectual and developmental diversities. And if there is a Bible verse that describes this stage play very well, it would be Psalm 133 verse 1, which says, "Behold, how good and pleasant it is when brothers dwell in unity." And until next time, live an adventurous life, buddies, and God bless.